Join us today at the Pinery Provincial Park as we make some banana pancakes. You know you want some. Banana pancakes today. They're delicious. Okay, so we're at the Pinery. We're going to be making some, what are we making? Oh, banana pancakes. Quick, easy, delicious banana pancakes with bananas. Okay. This isn't instructional. We're just going to make it. We're going to enjoy it. You're going to be jealous or something. I don't know. In case you can't tell from my toque and my jacket, it's actually it's pretty chilly out here. End of November, end of October, and it's probably maybe 0 degrees, especially with wind chill. We are at a pavilion at the Pinery, so we're actually close to the lake, Lake Huron. So we're getting a breeze off the lake too. This is a very big spoon. Chitra must have chosen it. I don't think she heard me.
I heard you all right.
Oops. I have this picnic table over the edge of a cement thing, and I feel like I'm having to lean. Oh wait, I don't feel like I have to lean. I'm actually leaning. Banana. Banana. You know the song?
Banana, banana, banana.
Amazing what you can cut with a plastic knife.
I thought you said something about how you were going to make up a nice little song for each one of your shows.
Because I'm the musical one in the family.
Got some bananas, I'm cutting them all up. I'm gonna make some pancakes, I don't know what to say. Do 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 do. That needs some work.
Yeah. If you go to iTunes right now, you can get that song.
But you won't want it.
A little bit more. So one thing about banana pancakes, it has to taste like there's bananas in your pancakes. If you watch enough cooking shows, or one of those cooking contests, the judges always say, if you tell me there's going to be blah 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 in your recipe, and that's your feature in your recipe, make sure I can taste it. So if I say this is banana pancakes, and it doesn't have enough bananas, that one's for the chipmunks, then it's a waste of banana pancakes. Ah. Even while you're camping, I have to be hiding. Okay, banana. I'm gonna go with that. Sorry. What am I doing? Okay, here we go. Get this fire started.
Let's get this fire started. Constantly priming.
This is the in-between waiting thing, is get yourself warm by jumping around. You can do jumping jacks. I actually hear squats are really good for warming up. Okay, so you want the pan to be, warm but not too hot. Otherwise, you're going to crisp up the outside of the pancake and have raw dough in the middle. We really don't like that. Okay, actually, I'm just testing to see if it's warm enough. I'm not heating my hands or anything. It's not like it's cold and damp and that out here.
Apparently the cameraman doesn't get that special.
The cameraman does not have their own flame. This is only the person on screen. So if Chitra wants to come and make the pancakes, she can come and do that. We're going to go with smaller pancakes. Or as we used to call them when we were kids, and they're still a little big for that, silver dollars. So we're just going to do some cutesy little ones. Aren't they cute? They're just little. They'll cook faster. Not that we're in a hurry. So Chitra's not fond of pancakes, but she's going to have some because she shared her grilled cheese sandwich that we made earlier. I think that's going to be a separate video, so if you want to check out the grilled cheese sandwiches with Havarti that we made, check out another video. I'll link it up here. They were delicious. So there are lots of things you can put in pancakes. You can make plain pancakes, blueberry pancakes, strawberry pancakes, cinnamon pancakes, chocolate chip pancakes. What kind of pancakes do you like? Let us know in the comments below what your favorite pancake is. Inquiring minds want to know. Just going to have a little peek. Oh, they look good. Oh yeah, that's what we're looking for. That is some gorgeous color. Looks good. Can't wait to eat it. Sorry for the giggling. Sorry for the giggling. So sometimes I actually will cut up the extra banana and kind of put it on the side. Kind of reminds me of like Bananas Foster type idea without the alcohol or the ice cream. So not really like Bananas Fosters at all, but it's funny how the mind works. Crazy how the mind works. So who else is out camping? Anybody out camping? End of October, beginning of November? We have one more camping trip. We're going to come back to the Pinery in 2 weeks. It's going to be awesome. It might be colder. It might not be colder. Could be snowing. We could go swimming. Who knows with the weather. So who else is camping still? Are you camping in a trailer? Are you tent camping? Let us know. Love to hear where you're going and what the weather's like. If it's warmer than here, then we don't want to know.
Tips on staying warm.
Tips on staying warm. Dress in layers. It's a Canadian thing.
Favorite camping recipes.
Lots and lots of layers. You can take clothes off. It's really hard to put clothes on if you don't have them with you. Okay, I think these are actually really close to being done, and then I'm going to put another round of them on the plate. So yeah. So there's the beautiful looking banana pancakes. Little butter, little maple syrup. We got some real maple syrup today, real Canadian maple syrup. Looks good.
They're going to be congealed by the time I get to them. Okay. Mmm.
Can you taste the banana?
I certainly can.
Is it changing your mind about pancakes?
No. I prefer grilled cheese, but I like a pancake when you make it. Mmm. Almost worth the freezing cold. Sticking it in your face is one thing. Too much.
Hi, I'm Tricia from Nature Lover Canada.
And I'm Chitra.
And we'd like to thank you for watching our video. If you like it, please give us a thumbs up below and please
Subscribe.
don't forget to subscribe. Hit it now.
Subscribe. That's really hard to say. Subscribe.
You know you want to.
Yes, you do.